my lovely families, welcome back to my channel. Once again, it's your girl African Choice. Yes, it's your girl African Choice. I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my old and my new subscribers. You guys are so amazing. I love you guys so much. So guys, in today's video we are going to be making hot pepper sauce. Yes, hot pepper sauce with yam. That is what we are going to be making today. This hot pepper sauce with yam, you can use it to eat fried yam, fried plantain, rice, boiled yam, whatsoever. That is what we are going to be making today. So guys, if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. And please, if you have not subscribed yet, consider subscribing and also on the notification bell so that each time your sister uploads a new video, you will be the first to get notification. Yes, you'll be the first to get notification. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get starting. So guys, in here I have my yam. I have tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, and also onions. And I have my mangi. And also here I have my sardine. I have my sardine too. And also here I have my salt. So I'm going to put this aside so that I can peel the yam. So now I'm just adding my salt to my yam. I will add salt and I will cover it to cook. So guys, now I've added my pepper and my onions. I've added my pepper and onions. I'm going to add salt. My mangi, I'm just going to add a little bit of mangi. Just a little bit. So I'm going to blend this. I'm going to mash it together. For you, if you want to, it depends on how you like eating pepper. If you like pepper that much, you can use the quantity of pepper you want to use. For me, I'm just using only one. So guys, you can see the way it is now. After blending it, you can see the onion and the pepper. See the way it is. So now I'm going to add my tomatoes. I'm going to add it now. Match it together. And also, if you don't have this apotoyiwa or mortar, you can also use your blender for it. You can use your blender, but make sure when using your blender, when you want to blend it, make sure you don't add water to it. So guys, after blending it, this is the way it looks. This is it after blending it together. You can see how it is. So now I'm going to add my sardine. I'll be adding my sardine now. So I'm just going to put that aside so that we check on the yam if it's ready. See, my fork can go through it now, so that means it's ready. We are just going to put that down. So guys, this is the final look. This is the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you all for coming. God bless you all. Bye. See you in my next video.